How to buy Infinity Trump Rewards token. Now this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of ITR. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token, this is the X account. Now keep following the X account to keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created just 1 hour ago. It's very new token and increased by 64,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning your investment in a safe place. So this token also trending number 3 in Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here, and as you can see, open your Phantom wallet for that. Now log into your wallet first, as you can see here. So now click on swap. Now make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste on this. As you can see, this is our token clear on it. Now you type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now that select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page, and as you can see, switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can buy and go to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Infinity Trump Rewards token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.